rained a lot last night, so you can see the tomatoes, some of them have split. Now these tomatoes, you can tell I've planted them just too close together. I have regular large tomatoes planted with tomatillos and cherry tomatoes, and they all ended up just being way too close together. So I didn't realize how big these plants would actually get. So it's interesting, I'm learning that although they look little, they will get very, very big. So this is the first of our tomato harvest. The first day they've actually ripened and been able to pick them. And from what I can see, there's going to be a lot more tomorrow. The carrots are getting bigger and bigger. It rained a lot last night. I'm just checking. So I saw this on somebody else's channel, I don't remember whose, that you're supposed to check the bottom of the carrot and see if there's anything coming up yet. And you can see the carrot down there, but I don't know if it's ready yet. I'll wait a little bit more. Here we have more tomatoes. Wow, that one's getting pretty big. It's still green, so it's not ready yet. This is another box that I have. Just, you see how much better they grow in this box. I'm going to show you the box that's much lower to the ground, and you'll see they just aren't growing like this. Then we have baby pepper. So I planted marigolds because this bed actually had some sort of pest that ended up causing my last plants to kind of die or be like overrun with pests. So I read that marigolds actually help. I have to deadhead them though, because you can see they've got beautiful flowers, but some of them are dying, and the more you deadhead them like this, the more they will actually grow more flowers. So you just pick off the old ones. They will grow more flowers, but these are great for the soil to prevent pests near your veggies. And you can see that these are the ones in the lower bed, and they're just not doing as well. The other ones look amazing. These do not at all. Our strawberries are getting much, much bigger. I think the magnesium that I added to the soil somehow helped the strawberries too. This bed I have to clean up because, as you can see, it rained last night and there's leaves from other plants that have fallen in here. But the strawberries are actually starting to grow. So that's very exciting. They're still very green, not ready, not ripe, but they're growing now. Yay! Yeah, those tomatoes are not doing well. Just don't look great. And then of course that's not a tomato, that's an eggplant that has just gotten overrun. The eggplants are actually getting pretty big. Maybe I should plant them somewhere else so they don't disturb the strawberries. And then that is supposed to be broccoli.
pretty terrible, in my opinion. I think the tomatoes just took all the nutrients, and we had a couple frosts too, which just killed them off. They were doing well at first, now just a mess. So I think